Good day everyone, this is your elementary statistics class with Teacher Camille. Let's have first a brief history of statistics. In the 17th towards the 18th centuries, mathematicians were asked by gamblers to develop principles that would improve the chances of winning at cards, dice, and coins. We have Bernoulli and de Morbier. Bernoulli and de Morbier were the two mathematicians who studied probability. In 1730s, de Morbier developed the equation for normal curve. During 19th century, Laplace and Gauss were two other mathematicians applied probability principles to astronomy. Next, we have Adolphe Quetelet. In the early 19th century, a famous Belgian statistician in the name of Quetelet applied the statistics to investigation of social and educational problems. Quetelet was able to develop a statistical theory on a general method of research. A quote from Adolphe Quetelet: "Whether statistics be an art or a science, or a scientific art, we concern ourselves little. It is the basis of social and political dynamics, and affords the only secure ground on which the truth or falsehood of the theories and hypotheses of that complicated science can be brought to the test." Next, we have Francis Galton. He was an English Victorian-era statistician, sociologist, psychologist, anthropologist, eugenicist, tropical explorer, geographer, inventor, meteorologist, protogeneticist, and psychometrician. Francis Galton had the greatest effect upon the introduction and the use of statistics in the social sciences. His contribution in the field of heredity and eugenics, psychology, anthropometry, and statistics. The concept of correlation, or the measure of agreement between two variables, is credited to him. Galton also contributed to the development of centiles and percentiles. Next, we have Karl Pearson. Pearson is another mathematician who collaborated with Galton in developing many of the correlations and regression formulas that are being used today. A quote from Karl Pearson: "Order and reason, beauty and benevolence are characteristics and conceptions which we find solely associated with the mind of a man." Next, we have Ronald Fisher. In the 20th century, new techniques and methods were applied to the study of small samples by Ronald Fisher, an English mathematician. Most of his contributions were applied in agriculture and biological settings. Today, statistics is the major tool used by the researchers in agriculture, biological, business, medical, behavior, and social sciences. Now, let's have qualities of a good statistician. A statistician must be specific or precise and exact. Next, talented, well-rounded personality. Next, must be active or participative. Next, tenacious or must have retentive memory. Next, innovative or can introduce innovations. Next, skillful or skilled or expert. Next, we have terrific with extraordinary abilities. Next, inventive, inventing original and productive works. Next, we have creative, utilizing indigenous materials. Next, interpretative, or have the ability to interpret research results correctly. Next, we have accurate. An statistician must be accurate in computing different statistics tools. Next, lastly, we have noble, or excellent and have superior ability. So that's all for today. Thank you.